Well, good Thursday afternoon. This is Rich. The markets had a pretty rough day really today. As I mentioned in the Outlook letter tonight, there were really three factors that came into play. Number one, Argentine weather seemed to have flipped. We had people talking about rain next week. I saw one comment as much as 4 to 5 inches potentially next week. That was certainly one of the drivers. We saw a strong dollar once again today. That was 2 days in a row. We saw gains of nearly 0.8 to 0.9 of a point in the dollar due to basically the euro crashing once again. And that really did lead to some liquidation in commodities. And I've mentioned a few days in a row now that commodities, in particular corn, soybeans, wheat, all overbought. The RSIs were in the 70s. These markets have been due for a correction. I certainly didn't anticipate this big of a correction in this short of a period of time, but nonetheless, easy to see why we did see some big selling in the markets. Apparently liquidation of about 13,000 contracts of corn, 6,000 contracts of beans on the day today. So kind of a perfect storm of things lining up here today, and we saw the markets take some profits. Here on the day, March corn down 15 cents at 643.5. December corn down 10 1/4 at 579.5. January soybeans down 20 1/4 cents, still held on above $12, closed at 12.01 1/4, and November beans down 15 1/4 at 12.04. March cotton down 118 at 94.74. December cotton down 0.71 at 90.98. September rice unchanged here on the day at 14.99. Chicago March wheat down 20 3/4 cents at 629 1/4. Should note that wheat is now trading 14 cents below corn, so certainly ought to entice some people to try to sprinkle some wheat in their feed rations. July wheat Chicago down 19 1/4 at 666 3/4. Kansas City March wheat down 28 cents at 686. Kansas City July down 27 1/4 at 702 1/2. Minneapolis March wheat down 20 1/2 at 818 1/2, and Minneapolis Dees wheat closed down 23 1/4 at 779 1/4. Now the dollar up 8 1/4 of a point here this afternoon. Crude oil down $1.87 a barrel at 101.35. Gold finished $10 higher. The Dow down 25 points at 12,331. We'll look forward to hopefully getting a little bit of a bounce tomorrow. We'll see how the night session goes, see what the new updated forecasts are. Keep in mind next week we're bound to see some pretty active trade really going into the January crop report. We'll see a lot of position evening. You should note that the last 5 years have seen a very volatile trade the day of the January crop report. 3 years we've traded higher, 2 years we've traded lower coming out of that report, so hard to guess what's going to happen, but we've got a lot of numbers to dig into next Thursday morning, so we'll have 4 more sessions from tomorrow through next week. If a person needs to use some option coverage, certainly you've got a few days to get that done, but something to think about. Also, we expect to see some index fund rebalancing here at the first of the year. Wouldn't be a shock to see them sell corn, buy some other commodities. Keep in mind, if you read the letter here at the end of the year, that corn was the one commodity that did gain in 2011. Soybeans were down about $1.95, wheat down $1.41, and cotton lowers. So corn was the one commodity that did rally. We do expect to see more corn acres planted this year, so it wouldn't be a big surprise to see the index funds liquidate corn in favor of another crop. Have a good evening. We'll be back tomorrow with a wrap-up.